weird issue. This is an HP 11 x360. The issue is that, as you see, I will unplug the charger. See what will happen. Displays. We plug it. No display. Unplug. Display. Plug it. No display. The PC works fine. Nothing else. Nothing else except this weird issue. The battery is charging. Everything is fine. So we have to check what is the problem. Very weird. This is with the charger, and even with the power supply it does the same thing. Even with the power supply, the same thing occurs. Yes, and even with the power supply the battery is charging.